Welcome back to another episode of Just Lovely Living. Here is where we create the atmosphere for you to celebrate your grace, beauty, and style. I'm your host, Tanya D. Bryant, and in this episode, I'm going to show you a project that I did while I was making over my main bathroom. Now, in one of my episodes, I told you I started my crafting journey during this quarantine period so that I can make over my bathroom. And it just escalated into other projects along the way. So I'm going to show you how to make this 3-tier shelf using an item from Dollar Tree. And you may guess what that item might be there. So let's go ahead and get started. I have a day bed and it needed some boards underneath the mattress. So I've had these 3 pieces that's left over for a while and I didn't know what I was going to do with it. So I'm going to make a 3-tiered shelf that I will put in the bathroom. It's about a 1/2 inch thick, about 14 to 16 inches wide. And I'm first going to sand down the edges here because they're a little scraggly. So like this one, you could see that we need to get rid of some of that on the edge. So that is my first step. I'm going to start sanding that down. And I have my sander. And I'm just going to start with this edge here. So now that I have sanded down my edges, I'm going to just wipe it off. I'm just going to wipe down all the dust from the sander. Get all that off. The next step is I'm going to measure out the same length as this bracket. This is a bracket from Dollar Tree. It is a metal hanging bracket, plant bracket. And normally it will go on the wall like that. But I'm going to be hanging it this way, right? So the brackets on the edge, the brackets are going to be spray painted in this metal color. And I want the edge of the wood to be painted in that same color. And then in the middle, it's going to be painted white. So that's what we're going to do with that. So what I need to do is kind of mark where my bracket will be. And that's where I'm going to put my tape to, so I'm going to mark it here. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. And I'm going to put the tape around. Then I will take my painter's tape place that around. And then this area is going to be spray painted just like that. So I'm going to spray paint just the edge there. Side. So I'm going to use this acrylic paint black paint to paint the edges first so that the spray paint will really pop on the edges and stick to the wood. So I'm going to mix this up. Stir it up a little. So now that I've spray painted the edge on each side, I'm going to flip this painter's tape so that I can start painting the inside white. So I'm just gonna, so that I don't paint on the gray, we're just gonna reverse that, and then I'll continue on with painting. So we're just going to drill some holes here. Okay, and then we're just going to take the screws that I have and we're going to screw it to the board. Okay, here's the first shelf that I've put up. And this is the product that I decided to use to put the shelves up against a wall because I was not able to drill holes on the long side there. My drill was too small. I needed a bigger drill bit. So I bought a 6-pack of these. And in the 6-pack, there was a lever. So I'm able to use that to make sure my shelves are leveled. So that's the first one. And basically what I'm doing, I'm just using the sticky part on the back. There. I cut them in half. And I'm putting 2 on each one so that it stays up. I'm not going to put anything heavy on these shelves. So I think this will work for now, until I can get a bigger drill bit to drill holes in it to put screws. So this is just a temporary fix. And here is the final project of the 3-tier shelf. Put a few things on the shelves, not many things because you know the shelf is only going to hold but so much, so I didn't put a lot. Nothing too heavy. This is the final project. So I thank you all for watching this video, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a lovely day.